Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, last two session we discussed regarding the very first day we discussed journey of the devices, and the last session we discussed regarding the traditional our telecom network. Hopefully ki you are easily understand ki actual network is no not any location is the wireless. Wireless is only local connectivity, yeah, that location is available. There is not possible to optical fiber. So overall, the whole world, our communication depend on the completely wired, and various types of wire communication is available: copper wire, electromagnetic, optical fiber, coaxial. These all are important, and upcoming time you easily understand ki how they are utilized in the local level today also. Okay. Wireless communication, definitely it is the very good for the local, yeah, direct people. They are connected to the nearby tower only and easy to move any location of the world. Okay. So now, simple, again, I repeat, telecom, the new version of telecom is known as IT communication, and it is also known as the data network. Their telephone line is now, as per new name, it is known as the data network. Okay. So today we discuss regarding the data network. So data network does nothing, simply modification of the telephone line. Okay. Now I just help of the PPT. Go ahead it. Okay. Today we discuss regarding the data network. So data network does nothing, simply modification of the telephone. Okay. Now, okay, may I'm audible first when I can confirm because here is the red alarm is
Yes,
generated.
yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay, okay, okay. I don't know why so here. Okay, okay. Uh, just here one again, sir, just for your reminder. In traditional network, that is the telephone line, only we focus on communication, telecom, dial to each other and talk to each other. And you are lucky ki are you very well known ki what is the meaning of the dial-up. But upcoming time after the December 2025, definitely world going the this system dial-up system completely remove, and only just somebody share the link, yeah, directly you communicate by the name also, no problem. Okay, but there is no dialing system. Just like today, I sharing one link for you. Ki join at 11:15 p.m. You just click and directly join. You don't know ki what is the my IP address, what is the my telephone number. I just provided one link. You help of that link. Now we are joined to each other. Okay. And timely in traditional network, we added some more feature like fax, SMS, and some value-added services like PRBT, personalized ring back tone. You calling to the some person. There are some song will be there. Reply back. That this is known as the RBT, ring back tone. Okay. So these types of facilities just added on old telephone network. But in the current telephone network, line is the same, but devices same, and something change in new devices. I will discuss upcoming slide. This the data communication. Just first, not only voice, today video, audio, another form of multimedia is possible, and currently devices is a computer, a smart mobile phone, tablet, and many more. In traditional network, in compared to the current network, so you can say everything is the same, just only change of the name. Here I just make one time table for you. In old and traditional network, this is the known as the telephone line, and the current network, this is the data network. Give the example NIB1 and NIB2. What is the meaning of NIB1? NIB, National Internet Backbone 1. So before 2003, there are only single old telephone line, and that old telephone line first time we given the internet facilities also. Just use of the modem and connect your computer, and you can go ahead for the internet facility. The old telephone line also used for the internet telephone line, but that internet speed is not too much, only 64 kbps, maximum up to 2 mbps. But that time one most popular personality, Mr. Sam Petroda, he is also known as the father of telecom of India. He is the most popular personality in US during the 1984. That time our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, when visited he US, he come to notice कि Mr. Sam Petroda is most popular personality in US, and she is requested कि Mr. Petroda please come to India back and help telephony system, internet system for Indian people. On the request of the Prime Minister, Mr. Sam Petroda joined in India in December 1984. That time, Indira Gandhi was not more. New Prime Minister, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, and that time to till time, a lot of Prime Minister change of India, but Indian Telecom Technical Advisor is Mr. Sam Petroda. And he is a very silently work behind the any government. Government come and out, there is no problem, but he is still is remaining the same as working Indian Telecom Advisor, and completely after the letter, because he is currently also live. So, but live people nobody know ki what is after the death. It may be know ki what is his personality. Just I saw one photo for him.
Okay.
He is alive. Okay. If he dead to everybody know who is that person, but his life to nobody know. Okay. It is the nature of the human, na.
Yes, sir.
You just go. Just I saw for here picture for him ki this is Sam Petroda. Okay. So this is a very popular personality and also known as the father of telecom of India, and second also father of computing of India. He getting two things for him. Okay. So he available with all kinds of the people, either Rajiv Gandhi, Modi Sahab, this is Rajiv Gandhi, although today the Manmohan Singh. Okay. A lot of today also Mr. Modi, and all time, all this is the Rajiv Gandhi. That time the first picture you can see. That is the first telecommunication developed by the Mr. Sam Petroda, and first India make switching system, and that India make switching system is C dot. Or you know what is the C dot company? Very popular company. This is C dot.
No, sir. Not aware
Okay, na?
about it.
The government company that is a C dot. Oh, C dot. Okay. This is the C dot founder of the C dot. He is the founder of the C dot. Okay. So just for your information ki who is the Sam Petroda. So he's a very popular personality, and completely current scenario of telecom and IT is role of the Mr. Sam Petroda. Okay. Now back again. So in 2003, that time our Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh, so Mr. Sam Petroda advises कि not old telephony system is sufficient for the upcoming internet facility. Definitely you laying new telecom line and new devices and completely optical fiber base. So on behalf of his succession, Mr. Manmohan Singh in 2005, first time implemented the first telecom network other than telecom network, and this telecom network is known as the NIB2. Old telecom network is also available, and this is also working. But day by day, we every line change and migrate in the NIB2. Currently, whole India working with NIB2, National Internet Backbone. In this new line, completely almost 97% it is the optical fiber, and router devices. Are you know what is the router? Are you aware what is
Yes.
the router? Where you see?
Router, Wi-Fi module.
Where router? Where is seen
Wi-Fi
router?
module.
This is Wi-Fi
When
modem.
network.
I think that means ki, sir, give one the question. First, listen to me. Actual cost of the router is the minimum is the 5 lakh.
Okay.
Okay. So now you again give again answer. Router Wi-Fi, router modem. This is router,
I
yes or
think
no?
many
Okay.
networking based companies maybe.
Just listen again. Again, I explain ki what is the difference between router and you identify ki at your home router Wi-Fi router modem. So what is different? Uh, are you know a tiger biscuit?
Yes,
Is
sir.
a, so are you also eat that biscuit? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the tiger biscuit, are you eating the tiger either biscuit?
It's just a biscuit, sir.
Definitely biscuit. Not. What is the meaning here as a tiger?
It's just a brand.
This is the company name, broad name, and you can feel. Okay, but not actual tiger. Okay. Same, I repeat, router is mini supercomputer. And some quality of the router, you added any devices, either a modem, either Wi-Fi, and any other types of devices. This is basically router Wi-Fi. That is Wi-Fi, but some quality of the router implemented in that Wi-Fi. So this is known as the router Wi-Fi. Basically, this is the Wi-Fi, but
Hmm.
Indian quality, Indian person quality, he half world automatically deleted. So in place of deleted Wi-Fi, everybody say ki I just purchase the router for home. But now hopefully the router is a very big thing and there's some quality like DSCP, DNS, there is some quality of the router. It will be added in your at home modem, home Wi-Fi. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the thing that we're using is the modulator and
Modem,
demodulator.
router modem, that is the modem, but some more pure modem is basically come is the modulation, demodulation, and analog to digital. But in modem, additional work like DSCP, DNS, NATing, NAT, it upcoming practical session, you can very well aware about what is the meaning of the DSCP and DNS. So these facilities is quality of the router, not modem. But this quality added that modem, so that modem is known as the router modem.
Okay.
Before 2011, modem required the setup at ISP center. But currently, you go to the market, purchase the modem, there is no setup required because already router quality, router feature by default in the software manner is implemented that your modem and not required to the go any ISP for the setup. Just purchase and put at your home and help of the menu, you can make it use for your own application. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In the BSNL is the first company that making the router are used whole across the India. And there are three kinds of router. One is the core router. All are the Cisco company. These all router is the Cisco company. Cisco is a very popular company, just like Microsoft Windows, Apple. So in the hard network and world, this is a Cisco is the standard and make standard every company and devices. Okay. So Cisco first India, BSNL is the first company and as a direction of the government of India, make the network, new network. This is the NIB2, National Internet Backbone 2, and help of the router. And there are three kinds of the router used in for the new network. One is the core router, one is the provider edge router. This is also known as the PP, and sometime is also known as the ISP. Are you very well known? What is the meaning of ISP? Internet Service Provider. That is the BSNL, Reliance, Tata, all Airtel company that provided internet. This is known as the provider edge router. Customer edge router, that whole kinds of the router. This is the series router series. BSNL use the 12,000 series and 76,000 series, and this is the below 76,000 as a customer is router. All router are the same, but just like scooty, you when go for the purchase scooter, yeah, scooty, there are 80 cc, 100 cc, 120 cc. All are scooty, but their cc define their efficiency and their working culture. Okay, same manner, 12,000 router is minimum cost that time. One router is a 2 crore rupees, and 7/6 router is the 48 lakh rupees, and below all router is the 5 lakh minimum. And currently clone router is also available, but more than 2 lakh. And in minimum in the today also minimum 2 lakh router, 2 lakh rupees router is available. Okay. So where this router topology make, I just show in the next slide. This is the real picture of the new network after the suggestion our ex-Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh ji and Sam Petroda ji. He make the new network for India. This is the real network, and this is the core network. This is the core router, and one router is the cost of one router 2 crore rupees. And these all router is connected to the optical fiber, and this is also known as the national line, NOFN, National Optical Fiber Network. And this network not given to any public domain, public either private company. This always handled by the government of India by default. This network is handled by the BSNL. BSNL is a very popular role of the play. If you are any customer, any company customer, doesn't matter, but finally all line jointly here. Okay. Second is router is the P router. This is also known as the ISP router, right? BSNL, Reliance, all company who provided to you internet. Okay. And suppose you are working in your college, there I definitely Wi-Fi facilities provided by your college to you. Definitely provided the yes in your college Wi-Fi facilities for all student and employees in your
Yes, sir.
college.
For all
Okay.
hostel.
So that how to possible in your college campus there is the one use the customer as router and help of the switch connect. Okay, and one switch connect to another switch. And Reliance Jio is the first company given the permission make on this new line tower, and you connect your phone. The 4G connection given by the Reliance G and allow to this is the first line, and this line basically designed for the internet facilities first. Traditional telephone network, telecommunication, communication to each other is the first. But in the new scenario, internet is the first. So in if suppose you purchase the Geo SIM and making the call, so you realize ki when making the call, your internet is the disconnected. In the same manner, if a traditional telecom network like Airtel, BSNL, Geo, because they have the traditional network, so there in that network, if you are calling that, so there is internet not disconnected. Okay. If you are not notice that, so upcoming time you can notice this. Okay. Internet will be disconnected when the called. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the real network of the as per router or usage. There are different kinds of. This is also known as the MPLS line, IP MPLS, and this is also the NIB core router A1 city. A1 that is the main city. Because just you say me ki what types of topology this?
Stars.
Are you know a star? What about say mesh topology?
Sorry,
Mesh
sir. Can you go?
topology connect to each other. Every
Oh,
device
okay.
connect to each other. In this network, these are computer. Basically, this is a computer, na? This supercomputer. Okay. So each
Yes.
computer connected to each other, and each computer directly connect. This router is connected to every computer. So this network is known as the mesh topology. A star connected to the each other, but not directly to connect, indirectly. Why use
Yes.
of the mesh topology? Because suppose fiber cut, this all fiber laying underground, near the side road, road. Okay. So if fiber cut, there is no problem. This is go for this location and go again for the Kolkata. And suppose connect this line is connect for Bangalore, so no problem. You go from line you move the Mumbai and either any location. Jaruri not need ki go for the Mumbai. So mesh topology as per availability of the path you can easily move. Okay. So this is the new network, and now we discuss upcoming tomorrow session. Uh, Before starting the practical, I take this week 3 or 4 session regarding the telecom IP address and this completely practical base, and then we go for the practical session. So today
Okay.
just leave. Okay, only I just take it only. I share a recording to you. Okay, if any doubt question you can ask again.
Sure, sir. There's nothing.
Okay, again see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.